everyone, this is Shirley and this is Jammin' with Yarn, and this is another delivered cooking. I like to welcome my old and new subscribers and thank you for taking the time to watch my small videos. I like to share this with you, but since you guys know, and if you don't know, I no longer eat meat. And what I found is this tofu press. This was on Amazon, and you know, it popped up in my feed because I'm buying a lot of tofu and items related to that. So, you know, I think on one of my videos I was showing when you do the tofu, you had to press a hard skillet on it, or if you have a butcher block, you can do that. Well, you know, I'm sure the people that's making the videos will probably have one of these. Maybe not this particular one, but this make life a whole lot easier instead of having a butcher block or trying to keep skillets even on your tofu to press it down and get the water out. So what I'm going to do today is, excuse me, is share this with you. So it comes with this container here. I don't know what that on my hand. Sorry about that. I know what it is. And it has, I don't think you guys can see it, but it actually has inches on one side and centimeters on the other side. This container, with that, you get this cheesecloth if you need it. And you can use it and you can buy extras. That's what it said. Then you get a marinating top, which I wouldn't use because then I think it might spoil the whole thing if you want to marinate your tofu. And the main contraction is this top here, which has a silicone handle and the lid, and it has draining tubes here. And this is what you lay your tofu on. Now, I have been getting the hang of tofu, and I really have to say I like it, and trying different flavors. I also like the flour protein that I made the other day. I just need to get more seasoning. So I have some extra firm tofu, which is the best, you know. So it says to put this on there like that. Up. I think I'm going to center this just a little bit better. Hands are already clean. And then it makes it get enough of the water out. So in your frying process or your baking process, you don't have that much. Then you are to take this and push it down. So this is moving down, if you notice. But this is not moving down. So this is moving down. And I am to latch it. Okay, that was easy. And then to turn it. So right now we have about 2 inches. Well, not really. About 1 1/4 inches. This is 1 1/2 is there. And to turn it until I hear the click. If you can see that bulging right here, the water is coming. That's water coming out. You guys see that? I don't know how well you can see that water coming out right here. And I'm taking it down until you hear click, 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 it said. That's pretty much it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And then the water drains out and you have tofu that's ready to go. It's set for 10 to 30 minutes, so I will do that and I will come back and show you what it looked like. Okay, you guys, I am back in 13. I'm going to wash my hands real quick. And 30 minutes have went by. I did pour out the some of the water. I wish I would have saved it so you can actually see how much water came out, and there was a lot. So what I'm going to do is, I don't have a cup here. I'll just use this bowl and see what is left. But there was a whole lot. I thought about it after it was going down the drain. So there's not too much more left. And that's very little compared to what was in there. It was a lot. So there we go. So you see how that worked. And I'm going to up that. Okay. And so it is lost a lot of its water. And this is what it looked like now. Not as thick as it was. So what I'm going to do with this is create me some chopped it'll look like that, chopped cubes, and probably I got rice going, and that'll be my dinner, and I'll take some for lunch, and that'll be it. Yeah, this is much better than what I was dealing with. I'll season this up, and this will last me for a couple of days. I just wanted to share that with you guys, and thank you for staying with me watching the videos. I do appreciate it. Put a thumbs up if you like it. Leave a comment because it really do help. And until next time, take care of yourself. Try to eat right as much as you can. And that's about it. Bye-bye. Okay, you guys, this is the end of my little trial with the tofu presser, and you guys seen these chunks before. This time I made my own little barbecue sauce, and I'm going to put that on there. Yum, 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 yum. And I might soak the rest in there. I have this thing about tomato sauce I'm not too keen on. I get tired of it quick. But there you go. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye now.